Hi guys, it's Sharon here from Butterfly Lullaby and the date is the 28th of November 2022. I was going to do a doggy Christmas hat tutorial, but seeing as there's one on YouTube anyway, I thought I may as well just share the link because I'm a team player. So here it is. So it's IMX Video Design and it's dog wearing Santa hat Photoshop tutorial. So I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check it out and leave him a thumbs up. Christmas raffle, yay! Well, the 1st of December 2022 will be the end of this pet portrait commission. So if you'd love to try and win this for either you or your family or friend, please do buy a ticket and support a young student that's got so much talent and hard work and determination to succeed in life. She was failed by the school system and she wants to win. She wants to get to university. So if you'd love to support her, please do. We'd love your support, even if it just means sharing the link. To share the link to this raffle with family and friends. You can do it privately, by email, whatever. But if, you know, sharing is caring. So any support would be so appreciated. You know, what I want to do is I want to help parents from working class backgrounds that are struggling to help their children succeed in life and need money to get them through education. So I don't want them to get in debt. I want to sort of try and support children to grow up, not be in debt, and to get the education they deserve. So that's the dream. I'm working on that as a team play with other people. So fingers crossed, guys. So anyway, I'm going to just talk through this. So winner art commission of your pet. The raffle tickets are £2 each. The draw is on the 1st of December 2022. Money goes towards art, music, studies and travel costs for my daughter, Melody Angel Art, and she's a singer as well, so it's Melody Angelicus on YouTube. You can check out her songs, etc. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you if you are sharing this. I appreciate it so much. I really do. You know, I'm so lucky. I'm surrounded by kindness. I know so many wonderful, kind people. So yeah, here's to a better future for our children and education. Take care. Bye-bye.
Beside them when you say